Oh,
it's not staining.
Hold that. Got it?
Yep.
I need that joint that I took out and I put back. The little gray one?
Yeah.
There you go. All right, go it on the top. Ouch.
Oh, watch your neck, watch your neck.
Ouch. Ouch.
That's it, yeah. Look top way on your side, right?
Yeah. You gotta go behind me, though.
Go behind you.
To my left, yeah.
I should have went on ahead and...
You got the top. Next time we just draw a diagram, put a piece of tape over it, shape it, and then come down and cut that whole piece outside. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. You tell me you ain't got no more staples, man.
Should be. Let me pull myself up for a second. Any in there?
Ain't going over there, man.
You gotta get between your. I hear a couple of them close to support it.
See? It's going right underneath you.
There you go. Because you're not on it yet. There you go. Let me see it. Let me see it. Hold it.
Oh, there. My side of it done. You got... Now, lift up from the bottom and give yourself some more slack. Lift up from the bottom. Give yourself some more slack. Lift up from here. And give yourself some more slack. So you don't straight down here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but you gotta nail it first. I can cut it straight across here after you put some nails in here. Then we can cut it straight across and use it for the other side.
Oh shit.
What? What? Well, you should have swept that.
Them jokers gonna be trying. They're gonna get in here. They're gonna be messing right here.
That's why I said if you take the slack out. Move your hand. Move your hand. Take your slack out. Take the slack up and push it under. Nail it there.
That's what we need to do. We need to cut it.
Okay. Well, let's put it up in here first. And that way you can staple it to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Stop right there. And you push it up in there.
Yeah.
Like that. Now you can staple that on the top. Hold on, let me push all the way down.
I got another stapler. Gotta get it closer. Gotta get it closer. Gotta get it right.
You just need to push it up in here first. Get that angle.
Yeah. So the jokers can.
Just like that.
I got another staple gun. It's on the back. It's a small gray one. Let me get it closer. Right here. Just hold tight 1 second. Be right back.
Oh. Got it. Don't forget to fell inside the getting break. The company don't pay for broke phones. They don't belong on the workplace.